The simplest way to use indigo powder is to mix it with water to create a dye and apply it to your hair. So keep watching for the secret tips to make your henna last longer. The result will be a gorgeous shade of blue-black that will last for several weeks. Take your indigo powder in a glass bowl or a stainless steel bowl to prevent staining the glass. Next, add 2 tablespoons of salt to the mix. This will allow the indigo powder to stick better to the hair cuticle. Next, add boiling hot water to this mix. Many make the mistake of using room temperature water, but a significantly hot temperature of the water is necessary in order to begin the dye release process. After mixing hot water with the mix, let it sit for 30 minutes maximum, allowing the dyes to release from the indigo. When you come back to the indigo, you will see that the indigo mix has released a blue, metallic Y film on top of the bowl, and underneath, it is still green. This is the sign that your indigo is real and 100% pure and natural. It is best to apply the indigo mix to the hair once you have already dyed your hair using henna. This is because henna plus indigo will give you a deep, dark, blackish color.